Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Claypot Black Pepper Chicken. So let's start cooking. First we'll start off with marinating the chicken. I have with me over here 2 pieces of thigh, skinless, boneless, approximately 350 grams, cut into pieces like this. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cornflour, and 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice. I've grated some young ginger and squeezed out the juices. Mix them up really well. Once you have done this, let them to marinate for approximately 10 to 15 minutes and we can start to fry them in the clay pot. Now we are going to stir fry the chicken. Heat up a clay pot, put in 1.5 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. It's always good to stir fry them around a little bit. Make sure you move them around, it will become more fragrant. If you like it more peppery, you can put in more pepper, but I think this will be fine. Add in some oil, as well as approximately 2 tablespoons of butter. The reason why I'm frying the pepper without the oil first is I want it to be more fragrant. Next, add in 4 cloves of minced garlic. I have with me over here 2 medium onions, red onions. They have sliced up. Put them in also. Soften them up. This already starting to smell fantastic. I'm adding in a lot of onions over here because I love onion, and this will add a lot of natural sweetness to the dish. So once the onion has started to soften up, you add in the chicken. Just push the onion to the side. Pour the chicken in. The quantity of these onions and of course the bell pepper later all depends on your personal liking. If you like it, you can add a lot more. If not, you can reduce the amount. It's really up to you. Now we add some water in. I'm adding in 1.5 cup of water. Now we add the rest of the seasoning in. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. In case you're wondering, when I say tablespoon, I'm using the metal tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. As well as 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well. Now we will add in the bell pepper or capsicum. I'm using 1 yellow and 1 red bell pepper each. Just put them on top like this. You'll put the lid on and let it cook for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. The chicken is almost done now. Let's have a look. Beautiful. If you like your dish to be darker, feel free to add a little bit more of the dark soy sauce. I'm adding in approximately 1.5 tablespoons more. This is the premium dark soy sauce. This will not be salty, but adds a very beautiful color to your dish. Just stir it around a little bit. Right. You can see that the color has changed and it gives you a very nice brownish color. We are almost done now. Give it a taste to make sure that it's savory and sweet enough for you. Wow, really good. I think I can use a little bit more salt. So I'm just going to add in half a teaspoon of salt and this will be great. Now prepare some cornstarch solution. We're going to thicken up the sauce. This dish goes very well with either steamed rice or even with noodles. I'll just pour it in bit by bit. Thicken it until the way you like it to be. You can use a little bit more. Okay. One final step before we serve this. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine to enhance the flavor as well as the fragrance of this dish. Stir it around a little bit. To top it off, I'm going to add in some chopped spring onion and we are ready to serve. Okay, serving time. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our Claypot Black Pepper Chicken. I hope you like our dish. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.